the health committee should walk away from its comfort in the boardrooms here.
Urugari muingi ni wabororokire bunge-ini ya bururi thutha wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri gutemania riboti igie ungumania wa kigina gia COVID-19 uria ugumeire ruhonge rwa wendia wa dawa KEMSA thutha wa namba nene ya bunge gwikirira nganja riboti iyo.
The committee would have pinpointed people who are responsible and who have stolen money.
This is shedding work, Mr. Speaker. The Committee of Health has disappointed us very much.
Abunge maugite riboti iyo ti ya kwihokeka kuona ndimurikite maundu maingi maria mangiteithiriria hari gukuithia murigo ari othe makuruhanitio na ciiko icio cia ungumania riu magikwa kamiti ino ya ugima wa mwiri iri na njama ya kuhithirira aungumia kigina gia kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19.
Because we are hearing rumors that our own colleagues may be mentioned. If they are there, name them, shame them, because somebody is dying because you are trying to make money. What kind of idiocy is that, Mr. Speaker? And what kind of greed? Shame on you.
Ihinda-ini o riu abunge ni merekeirie matukuya mao kuri honge cia ugitiri iria itaheanite mwerekero wothe wigie uthuthuria wa ungumania ucio nginyagia riu ona thengia wa gukorwo thiku 21 iria ciaheanitwo ni mutongoria wa bururi ni ciainikireire.
A day will come that those who participated in this haste, Mr. Speaker, will pay for the crimes they have committed, not only against the taxpayers of this country, but against many Kenyans who today are in their graves.
Ona kuhana oro uguo muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri Sabina Wanjiru Wachege hamwe na munini wake Joshua Kutuni ni mateteire riboti iria matemanirie na kuria tongoria matikaingirio teti ndeto-ini igie ungumania uria urigicite KEMSA. Abunge makinyiriirie ungumania wa kigina gia COVID-19 niguo cungiriirie kwambatira kwa namba ya ikuo cia murimu ucio undu uria utumite arigitani marute mukana wa kuiga miro yao thi kwambiriria tariki 6 mweri ukite magikinyiriria uria wothe wihiuhirie na mbeca cia muingi ni abatie gukuithio mutharaba wake hatari kuhithirirwo.
There may be something that you may need to.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.
The members are going to adopt